everybody, it's Ruth in Ruth's Art Room, and I just wanted to share quickly a new freebie vault that I have with my Fern Hollow printables. When you subscribe, you immediately will get access to the Victorian Cottage folio kit. But then I just created a freebie vault yesterday as well for my subscribers. And I'm just going to periodically upload new kits or ephemera, clip art, journal pages for you to download and print. And it is password protected, so every month I'll be sending subscribers a new password for the vault. But I just uploaded because I sent out a bunch of emails yesterday and I had the password wrong. So if you're one of those people, check your email. I did send the new password out this morning, and I created this cute, I can even talk, envelope tag. So as part of the download, and it's 2 pages. You can print both sides if you want for the front and back. So I'm just going to put it together really quickly so you can see what that looks like. And then I did also create a new Thanksgiving card kit that I'm going to upload onto Etsy later today. So I'll show you that as well. But for now, let's just put this envelope tag together, and you'll see what's in there. And there's also some other things that I've uploaded. There's some Halloween recipe cards. I've got a couple Halloween things, some fall things. There's some clip art. So I'll just keep adding as I can, because I really appreciate you guys following me, supporting my little Etsy shop. So let's just... I'm going to cut everything out and then I'll come back. Okay, so I must be really tired today because I glued the wrong side of that. So I just reprinted this so I can actually get this one piece to go in the right place. Yeah. So normally this would be very quick and easy to put together. So we're just going to put this here. Just a little thin line of glue on the bottom and around that side. Well, I have got glue everywhere now. This stuff is so sticky. Oh, that's the wrong one. Throw that out. This one. Honestly, I think my favorite part of the week is having time to design kits. I love to paint and sketch as well, but honestly, this is really fun. And this, I mean, see how easy this is? So like I said, when you subscribe to my newsletter, you get the password to the freebie vault. And I'm just going to let this dry a second. Just get some of this glue up. I need some baby wipes. I forgot to order any. Get this glue up. Okay. Then we're just going to do the sides just a little with some distress ink. Even though they're sort of distressing around the edges, this is optional. But since I have it here on my desk, this is what I'm doing. Just covers up that white that's showing through. And then put little Mr. Mousy inside of here. Glue's not quite dry yet. So I'm probably putting him in too soon. There we go. Anyway, you get the idea. And then this other little tag goes right here in the front. Voila. Let me know what you think about that. I hope you will download your free kit. And then I did also cut out some of my card kits so we can just put these together really quickly. There's, again, all kinds of mix and match ephemera. I don't really tell you how to do this. I mean, I could, if you prefer, I could make kits where you actually are, I tell you, you put this here, put that there. But I just kind of like making a lot of different elements and then leave it up to you to personalize. But anyway, so on this one, I don't know where he fell out of. I just will put these together really quickly. And I did this time put little lines for you to sign your name. Let me know if you like that or if I should leave it off next time. But where's, here we go. All right. And then I'll just, you can use glue, tape, whatever. Again, the distressing is optional, but I like it. And I did leave little cutout lines around these images to fussy cut, but you can cut closer if you want. But I thought people with print and cut machines might want to use those little markings to trigger the machine where to cut. All right, let's just... Put Mr. Turkey down here. All right, one Thanksgiving card. Next, I've got a little cute raccoon. I just think raccoons are so cute. I have a friend in North Carolina that has his own pond on his property, and he gets black bears coming into his yard, but he's got just like, I don't know, a huge family of raccoons that come right up on his front porch and visits with his cat and eats his cat's food. I think I'm going to trim this one. You like my measuring skills? There you go. You could also like cut this into little squares and put squares of color. And I think I'm going to put some little pop dots on this one. How cute is that? I think it's adorable. Okay. there. Then next, like I said, you can make this your own, mix and match the elements. Oh man, glue is everywhere. All right, now this one, I've got a little pocket here. And I think I'm going to just shabby the pocket just a little. All right, and we're just going to put a little bit of glue around the square edges, the straight edges. I did also make a matching envelope to print. I didn't print it out yet, but there will be an envelope included in the kit. And then just take the little pilgrims. How about that? And then this one, this heart. Oh, I should have shabbied it up first. Oh well. And then this one, some little pop dots. I'm on the struggle bus today. I didn't get enough sleep. My cat, Fiona, Fifi, Her Majesty, decided to start knocking stuff off my dresser at 6:45 this morning to wake, and then that in turn wakes the dog up. All right, cute, huh? Quick and easy. There's also just so many cute things to choose from. So again, put these here where you can see them. But there's like these little mushrooms, there's pumpkins, cute little squirrel, some more little background images, backgrounds, little badger, a little mouse. I heard badgers are mean, but I think they're pretty. So I think he's cute, so I put it there. And I've got friends from Wisconsin, and I know that's the badger state. So this is for you. All right. Let me know what you think. I hope you enjoy. Feel free to subscribe to the newsletter, email me, or make any comments if you have questions. And I appreciate it. And this is Ruth at Ruth's Art Room and Fern Hollow Printables. I hope you have a great week.